Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brevo's HTML editor to create fully custom email designs. Now, if you want complete control over your layouts, styling, or custom coded elements, the HTML editor is the best place to build advanced designs inside of Brevo. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll get access to my complete Brevo course where I'll teach you everything you need to know step by step, and you'll get full access. Now let's get started. To begin, navigate to the left sidebar menu and click the Marketing tab. Now once you do, the section will expand, and then you will begin to see different options that you can work with. From this list, click Campaigns, because the HTML editor is accessed inside of the Email Campaign Builder. When you land on the campaign page, go to the top right corner and click the Create a Campaign button. Now, as soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear. Now, inside of this window, Brevo will ask you to choose how you want to build your campaign. For this tutorial, choose Email, since we are creating a custom email design using the HTML. After selecting the email option, you'll be taken to the Create an Email Campaign page. Here, you will see two options at the top, Regular and A/B Test. For this tutorial, let's select Regular because we're focusing on designing a single custom email. Once you select Regular, the page will then show a few basic fields. First, type your campaign name. Now, remember to choose a clear and descriptive name so that you can more easily recognize it if you need to later. Right below that, you will see the tags field. This is optional, so you can actually skip it if you don't need tags. Next, look at the folder section. If you already have folders created in your account, you can click Add to Folder to place this campaign inside of one of those folders. This will help you keep your campaigns neatly organized. After filling in these basic details, click the Create Campaign button at the bottom. You'll now move to the main email campaign setup page where you will configure your sender, recipients, subject, and the design. Now that your campaign has been created, you'll be taken to a page with different sections like sender, recipients, subject, split, rules, and design. Start with the sender section. If your sender email and name are already correct, you can go ahead and leave them as they are. But if you need to change them, simply click to edit and then select the correct email from your verified senders. Next, move to the recipients section. Click Add Recipients, and then choose the list or segment that you want to send your campaign to. Once you add your recipient, scroll down and click Save. Now, go to the Subject section. Click Add Subject, and then type a very clear, engaging subject line. This is really important. Then fill out your preview text below it. The preview text will help improve open rates because its purpose is to give subscribers a short summary of your message. After entering both fields, then click Save. Finally, move to the Design section. This is where you will create the actual email content using Brevo's HTML editor. Click Start Designing to proceed. Now, as soon as you click Start Designing, a new pop-up window will appear that will show you different options to create your email. You will see Create from Scratch, Saved Templates, Campaign Emails, Basic Templates, and Ready to Use. Since we are building a custom HTML design, click Create from Scratch. A small drop-down menu will open. From this drop-down, select HTML Custom Code. Now, as soon as you choose the HTML editor, a new page will open. You see it there. Here you will see two main sections. On the left side, you'll see a blank coding area where you can paste or write your own HTML code. On the right side, you will see a live preview window that updates instantly as you type. Now, this will help you see exactly how your design will appear before sending it out to your contacts. At the top right corner of the coding window, click the three dots icon. You see it? Perfect. When it expands, you will see an option called Open with Simple Editor. You can use this if you want to quickly switch between the HTML view and a more basic design interface. Now, for this tutorial, use the HTML editor. Now you can begin adding your HTML code. You can either paste your full design from an external editor or write your HTML directly inside the panel. As soon as you paste the code, the preview on the right will refresh so that you can verify everything, including text, formatting, colors, images, buttons, and layout and spacing. If your design includes linked images, custom fonts, or inline CSS, the preview will update to show how everything will appear inside the email box. This makes it easy to catch mistakes before sending your campaign. Once your custom design is ready, go to the top right corner and click Save and Quit. This saves your HTML email and takes you back to the main campaign builder. After saving your design, you can continue setting up your email by reviewing the sender information, checking the subject line, and confirming your recipients. Once everything looks good, you can schedule your campaign or send immediately. All right, that's how you use Brevo's HTML editor to create custom email designs. If you want to get started today, use that link below for 50% off of your first 3 months and full access to my complete Brevo course. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.